How to log into your US mobile account on new phone. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are logged out of your account on your old phone, and then you can simply install this US mobile on your new phone, right? Then you can simply open the application, and then from here you'll be able to see this interface from where simply tap on sign in. And if you have sign up your account using any of those platforms, you can tap on them and go along with the process of how you'll be able to simply log in through those platforms. Or else, if you do have any sort of passkey, you can tap on sign in with a passkey in order to do that. Or if you have sign up manually, you can simply type in the email address of your account, then the password of your account, then you can simply select the option remember me right here. And then when you try to log in later, your application will actually remember the ID or your email address. Then you can simply tap on sign in, and like that you'll be able to sign into your account. So in here, if you want to enable your Face ID, you can also tap on this particular Face ID icon right here. Then it will actually show you this pop-up. Tap on enable, and then from there it will successfully be able to enable your Face ID, from where you can later on when you try to log in, you can simply use your Face ID and nothing else. So in case if you have forgotten your password, you can also tap on forgotten your password right here, go along with the process of how you'll be able to recover it. And just like this, you will actually be able to log into your US mobile account on your new phone. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.